Now what I'm going to do is show you how to create links to other pages within my site. Now whilst you've been gone, I've created another two pages, page 1 HTML and page 2 .html, and you can see that in the site panel over on the right hand side. Now this is where I'm going to actually put my links in. So what I'm going to do, this link is already partially set up. So I'm just going to change the text. So it says page 1. I'm going to change this text here. So this says page 2. It helps that the users can actually read where the links are going to take them. Now, because this was a template pre-created in Dreamweaver, it's already made this a link, but it's a link to nowhere. I can see this because the property inspector has a hash, and that just shows that I've got some basic link functionality, but it doesn't actually go anywhere. Now there's a couple of ways to make this bit of text link to page 1. The easiest way is to select your link object, so in this case it's the text. I'm going to use this little target that says point to file, and it tells you drag to a file to make a link, and you can see an arrow come along. So if I drag this and say okay, that's page 1, let go of the mouse pointer, it's now put in that file name in there, so that page 1 is now linking to the actual file there, page 1. So to see that again, I'm going to do that for page 2 underneath. I highlight the link object, I click on the link item, a little arrow, and I target and I put it over the file I want to link to. So here I'm going to link to page 2. There we go. Now that works with any link object. It doesn't have to be a page. It could actually be anything, like say for instance this image. This image isn't linked to anything. The property inspector tells me that there's nothing in my link. If I want to, so you click on that, go to the home page, I just do the same. And you can see it's put the file name in there. Alternatively, I can highlight any element in there and type directly into it. So if I wanted to link to a well-known search engine, put in the full address, and that makes it work there. So if I hit save, I can actually preview in the browser F12 and see this working. So there's my link, page 1, click on it, I'm now on page 1. Go back to my original home page, index, click on page 2. I'm now on page 2. If I go back to the home page and now click on the logo, let's see if I go to Google. I'm now on Google.